Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these sticky, salty, sweet and tangy honey barbecue wings. I made them in the oven and they came out super juicy. They are really simple and easy to make. Let's get started. To start with, you'll need an oven-safe dish or pan. Grease this with butter, margarine, olive oil, whatever you like. It's just so the chicken wings don't stick. Then add your chicken wings. By the way guys, this recipe is really budget friendly. I think these are about 10 chicken wings that I got for £3. I'm just adding a tablespoon of olive oil and about 50 grams of butter. Then I'm going to season the wings with a teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. After this, I'm just taking my mill and grinding about half a teaspoon of sea salt over the chicken wings. Rub in the seasonings, the butter and oil with your hands. Make sure it gets nicely coated over each chicken wing. You can wear polythene gloves for this step if you like. I just didn't have any lying around the house. So when your seasonings are all well mixed into the chicken wings, it should look something like this. Now the wings are going into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. So for the sauce, I've added half a cup of my favorite barbecue sauce. You can add whichever sauce you prefer. Then add half a cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. I'm using Tabasco sauce, but again, this is totally up to you. You can use whichever hot sauce you like. Then add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now mix the ingredients and let them come to a simmer on a medium-low heat. Okay guys, so 25 minutes are now over and the wings are out of the oven. Careful, they'll be very hot. Now pour the beautiful barbecue sauce that we made over the wings and try to coat them with it as much as possible. Cover the wings with aluminum foil and place them back in the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius this time. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and the wings are now out of the oven. Now it's time to plate these wings. The sauce in the dish has fused with the dry rub and the juice from the chicken and is now full of flavor. So I'm going to pour it over the wings before I serve them. These wings were so good. If you made them, I hope you liked them as much as I did. And they were so simple to make. Also guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes.